Hey, and welcome back to Kallerhult Creations. Today I have something super exciting to show you all. Before the summer, I pledged to a Kickstarter, an amazing Kickstarter run by the Lorenzo brothers. And yeah, so I've been looking at the tutorials on how to draw for like ages. I've been pinning them to my Pinterest board, I've been saving them, I've been using them. And when I saw that they were coming out with different tiers, and in this case 3 of the books, I was like, heck yeah. So let's open it up. So cool. These are my books. Oh, amazing. Wow. So here we have the alphabetical content of all of these books. Here we have the first one, the second volume, and the third volume. And they are hardbound books. I kind of thought they would be like pocket books, but no, they are the real deal. This is so cool. Oh yeah, and I'm stupid. They're not the Lorenzo brother. Lorenzo is one of the brothers. They are the Etherington brother. Yeah. So I'm sure you recognize some of these tutorials because they are kindly showing a bunch of them on the web page, so you can go and find them. I'll leave a link down in the description, but it's just such an awesome resource to have this in a book form. This is just amazing. So cool. Imagine if you work through all of these exercises, you will be like a top level artist. So these are the 3 how to think when you draw books that I got via the Kickstarter campaign, and I'm super excited to just dive into these and, you know, improve my skills as an artist. So I have this video series idea that I really want to do, and I'm thinking that maybe you can like give me a kick in the behind and keep me accountable. I want to start like a playlist with videos of study with me or learn with me. So I have a bunch of resources. I mean, now I have a huge chunk of these awesome books with like how to draw horns tutorial and vintage space bikes, because I don't know how to draw a vintage space bike. So I'm thinking about making videos where I tackle like either one subject or like a super separate course or something. I have a bunch of Aaron Blaze's video courses, and I also have a membership at Skillshare. So I'm thinking that I take a course or a book or something and I work through it, and maybe if you're interested you can work through it as well. I won't be giving away like copyrighted materials, but you know, still showing you like, here's a resource, this is how I learn from it and get better, and how I can use this skill. Kinda something like that. So yeah, if you're interested in something like that, please leave a comment down below and make me do it. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Hej då!